Okay, so this brings us back to our question. How do we find how many skiers were able to ski down the course under 4 minutes? Well, the first thing is to set up our notation. So we have the probability that x, we're back to a raw score of x, we're not in standard normal world anymore, is less than 4 minutes. I've shaded the curve already up above. I'm going to make my guess now. My guess is that it's a little bit bigger than 16% because I am to the right of -1 instead of being right on top of -1. This is a skill we've already learned. We're going to find z-score. So to find our z-score for a time of 4 minutes, we take the score 4 minus the mean, which was 4.3. We can see this up above. That's why I have you put the notation above your curve so you know where to look. And the standard deviation is 0.4. So when I complete the arithmetic on this, I get -0.3 divided by 0.4, and that gives me a -0.75 as my z-score. That matches up with where this line is on my curve because it's not quite to -1.00. So I know this is a z-score of -0.75. Let me move my work over to this part. So I know that this is equivalent to saying that I want to find a z-score that is less than -0.75. And that is going to be approximately equal to, well, now I get to go back to my normal curve table and look up the area under the standard normal curve. So if we are using the front page again, and I want to look up -0.75, I look up -0.7, and then I need to take all the way out to the 0.5 mark, which is right here. And I can find that that score is 0.2266. So going back to my page, my answer is 0.2266. And I want to check to see, does that match my guess? Yes, it does. My guess was that it was going to be a little bigger than 16%. 22.66% of the people were able to do the downhill course in 4 minutes or less. And that's how you complete a real-life problem on the standard normal curve.